Your darkest nightmare is here. No remorse and no care. Imagine these wares as the blood trickling from your hair. I'm a rhyming demon, feeling for weak MCs and squeeze to the non-breathing. Ever since a little jab in a damn heathen. In the alley, duck down, tucked by the rib mattress and screaming. These hunger pains, twisting my veins, making these thoughts the rain. So I spit with no aim, and I'm still leaving these cats slain. Bones a name, and don't you forget it. These hallucinogenics got me running this green like a biochemist. Seeing more court than tennis, never passing sentence. Cause I bounce like a Venice, dispersing my presence to roam amongst the drunken peasants and remain a lifeless tenant till I blemish in this paper is shredded.
Back on the spike heist, we start to slice as the goose flows over the ice. Straight up nice, now life has us paying the price, having us enticed. We're causing explosions, shattering the chemical erosion, stirring our vocabulary potions, moving in motion so powerful we spread oceans without lyrical craft. Never doing anything half was wrecking the physical rap. So many soldiers that there's no need for a draft. So now we're releasing the tiger from the jungle, make your mental fumble. Then you tumble, no need for a rumble because our raps make you crumble. Left your mind submerged in the submarine, the next scene the raps left clean. Never obscene, the machine taking 2 sips from my canteen.
Open up your eyes, realize hell and the devil's awaiting, creating saints forsaken, army of hell for souls raped and taken, beaten and locked in cells, injecting their brains so it swells, burning flesh smells like terrorist cells, burning all your wells. I'm stuck in a realm of black rain, chained to a wall, posted like fame, strains the torture and pain. My mind stained from women and children slain. They praising the law, but they killing his name. This shit is insane, simple and plain. They sick in their brain. I come from Mr. Sane, prison pointing the plane. Nobody knew why they came. Hijacking our planes, engulfing our towers in flames. Bodies dropping like rain. This shit'll never change. We puppets and war games for the rich and the fame. Going against the grains, I'm stopping the train. I'm popping the vein, preaching you lames, thinking I'm strange. I'm taking this cane, smashing your frame, jacking your chain. What?
We're ready to bust. Your whole life is made to adjust. Now who is there to trust? No rush, we're back together with the lyrical shredded, none better than the verbal aim setter. The header written in a single verse. Knowledge is dispersed throughout the universe. Strike first to unlock your mental block. Don't waste my time with your talk, leaving bodies outlined with the chalk. So you better run and not walk when I stalk. Massive sparks blazing fast and sonic, lethal injections of the tonic wanted, seeping through the raps, hitting loaded lyrical gas with laser beams, forming a team of microphone killers, knocking statues straight off the fillers, the chamber fillers, taking the throne, skills homes in the zone. Yo, ill tracks thrown down by bones, roam to enhance the mind, truth to find. Now don't where to draw the line when life shows the sign, the infection, going section by section of the inner